Look me koro, you dey hear me whine. I be say you tanda gidigba on top of the chairman television station, Wazobia Max TV, and this na as it dey hot. On top of as it dey hot, the matter dey hot because we dey talk am the way anything take me. Every time when I get the chance, I go tell una say Nigeria and our country no go spoil. Make we join our hand together to push this our country go the permanent site. Unless you get another passport where we say you go look say okay if this one spoil you go go here. This country na the only country we will get to. So we must do everything to see say this our country makes sense. Talking about making sense, we get people when we say they don't look and say I want to serve this country. I go speak English. Then they exercise their right to suffrage. That is, they don't present themselves say Nigerians, I am ready to serve you. We now, in exercising our right to franchise, that is to vote for them, will come out, come assess these people. Look, say this person makes sense. If we put this person for the driver's seat of Nigeria, he no go drive us enter canal. He go carry us. They go where our body go sweet us and not be where we don't know. I get ogbonge Nigerian inside studio. This is the person where we say, he dey passionate about our country. Una see all those people where they sell plantain chips inside traffic. Now so in they consider Nigeria matter. The thing they pay them. In fact, if in they sleep, he can't they think of the things where they happen for inside this country. If he wake up, they cry. If his wife ask and say, why are you crying? He go to say, he's paying me. Nigeria should be better. He can't decide to wear the jersey of one of the strongest political party inside this country. If you check their history to serve the people of Nigeria. Today, don't come on top of acid hot. I go ask them very important questions. Campaign never starts. Yes, campaign never starts. So those of you now when they ask the way say, okay, make I ask them this one. No, we go ask them matters they concern generally inside the border of Nigeria. Make we no enter problem with INEC. When they talk, say, oh yeah, we don't blow the whistle of campaign, we'll begin to discuss the matter. So, the Ogbonge visitor when I carry come inside studio today, now the presidential candidate of the SDP. I go talk and small, because anytime when you hear that party, you get some party where we know, say, if we call their name, people go need clear their throats. But when you hear SDP, come check the history of that party. Everything will concern and our hope. Everything will concern and our newness. Everything will concern and artists where we say go make Nigeria better. And next year go make them 30 years since person run on the platform of that political party to give Nigerians hope. Another person don't come now. He don't talk say that hope when escape that time. He don't hold like if I hold the hope. He hold the hope for her like this. He carry the hope come inside our studio. And when we discuss today, we will really see whether that hope they in action. And they talk of no other than Prince Adewole Adebayo, presidential candidate of the SDP. Welcome to As It Dey Hot, sir.
Thank you.
You are welcome. We no waste time. We could just go straight into the conversation. Make we start first with the economy because if I say Nigeria matter strong. Make I just do small background. In the build up to the election for 2015, everybody agree say the economy of Nigeria, the thing they do like this. So we need person where we say it go stabilize the thing, come pilot the affairs of this country, make this country go the permanent site. But some people go assess them, look and say, since that 2015, that economy where they do like this, if like say still they do like this, it can't even they go back. Make I focus on one key area, the area of oil. Oil now something when they're very, very important for everything we concern the account or pocket of this our country. In fact, for this Russia-Ukraine war, some countries now they cash out, but Nigeria no they cash out. They say because the money where they carry go pay for subsidy. Now something will be like say when they carry profit, they pay loss and we know they see any gain. Make I ask you about the Nigerian economy. And one strong language where people don't use diversification. Make I ask you, this Nigerian economy, should not say they don't swear for them. When we say all these years when our politicians don't mount diversification, we never feel diversifier or the Nigerian economy is above diversification. What is the solution to the problem?
Thank you. You want to hear the truth or you want to hear...
No, not the truth, oh. Not the truth, I want to hear.
Nigeria be like say, na bank.
Okay.
You can't put your money for bank.
Okay.
Whether you buy share for the bank.
Okay.
Or you carry your Ogbonge money, come do deposit for the bank.
Okay.
Now, when you put your money for the bank, na bank manager you meet.
Okay.
They don't give you paper, say your money there for bank.
Mm-hmm.
But the people where they enter the bank now, armed robber don't take over the bank. If you go collect your money for that bank,
you know, if armed robber don't do the bank, he don't get a CB.
So the thing where you go do be say you go call police. And they come command the armed robber where they inside the bank first. Now the amount will remain. Now you go thank God, go collect. So for Nigeria now today, our bank, the armed robber don't take over the bank. Be like say, with the one higher bank manager, armed robber can't put gun inside in body. Come there, say, make it hire him, say he be bank manager. But when don't enter the bank, come out the gun. So if you come near, now to that be that. Now, would they take methods, study the matter and say, okay, what thing they happen? The way they happen, we say, Nigerian money no loss. That diversification, what they talk about, what thing they mean, we say diversion. They go to divert your money, go inside them pocket.
Hey!
And if you say, what thing they happen, they go say the money no complete. Who no complete them? They go say the accountant general take some money, come out and put them for back. Okay, another day, what thing happen now? They say, na NNPC, they look for the money, you don't see the money. Remember that time where one big snake come out for bush, go jam. Nobody say go jam, go write exam. You go jam, follow money.
Hey!
That snake now, it don't enter the Aso Rock. Swallow even bigger money. The thing where we talk, we say, if you no agree, say armed robber dey inside your bank, you go to lie to yourself, say now your money no complete. The oil where we dey produce, the money, before, you go carry the money, enter NNPC.
Okay.
When it don't enter NNPC, no they come out. Now it make governor central bank before Lamido Sanusi come say, NNPC, they put money for him out, no they come out. That time they just fight that one. Nobody enter jail. Nobody. We don't know what happen again.
You will not hear discuss again.
Now they don't discover and say, if we dey take this money enter NNPC, people go to shout. Because NNPC supposed to write in our account.
That's true.
Supposed to keep his own book. They can't start another method. They go inside the creek, carry the oil, command the oil, sell the oil to Obodo people. No shishi.
Nobody they see the record.
They say anything.
In fact, make I even pick up from this particular one because two things when you talk when I hook now. First, the kind of people where they lead us for inside this country. The Yoruba people get saying and they talk say Eshinti waju ni teyin wo sare. Say the leg when the horse when they front take carry. And the one when they back they look. We don't see our Minister for State for Petroleum come out tell us the amount where we say then they thief for inside our oil. And like you don't give us this example of people when they enter inside our creek. We know say no be straw, then they use the thief this thing. Because crude oil no be waiting that they carry inside 25 liter. It means say na big business. And na big people they do big business. I won't ask you, as Nigeria dey like this today, the truth be say plenty Nigerians, especially the ordinary Nigerians, if you ask them, they go talk say all politicians be the same, whether this party or that party, all of them are the same. In fact, many people believe say once politicians rise up, say he won't serve the people, they believe say na lie because other people don't spoil the record. Make I ask you, if Nigerians today come out, they look out for quality leaders because you follow for over 15 people when they represent their political party for the election for 2023. What is Nigerians supposed to look out for as it take concern the quality of leader when Nigeria need, whether president, whether governor, whether the person they go National Assembly or State House of Assembly?
They're going to look three things.
Okay.
One, if the person don't enter government before, make we dey suspect them. If any person don't dey inside government before, they suspect them. Now suspect.
It's a suspect.
Suspect because the thing where they do Nigeria now, every Nigerian they do. Now every state they go. Whether na hunger, no school, no work, everywhere come dirty, no water, no house, now everywhere. So if you good, the side where you did before supposed to be good. Not supposed to look like the side where the other bad people did.
Very true.
That's number one. Number two, you go to hear whether the person they talk the truth. Because if anybody tell you, say, Nigeria will they manage, money no day for government, you know, say that person be armed robber.
Money no day for government.
Anybody who tell you that one, Number one, Ubunga suspect.
But then they say money no day now. Some people even talk say that they borrow theft to do anything for this country.
Money no day for government. Waiting that they go do for government.
They won't serve.
You don't see Nigeria where they go where they no money.
He go hard.
You don't hear say one minister can't resign, say in they look for money, do work. You know, see money, he can't resign.
He will never hear of anyone will resign because of that reason.
Even women wait there for husband house. If there's no money, they come out now. Worker where they work for company. If there's no salary, you don't go come out.
You go come out.
So wait till they make them go there. Even people will resign, say they want contest. When they lose,
they go back.
Go back.
So use left hand, submit letter. Use right hand, collect and back.
And they're going to tell you, say that place no get money. That place no get money. Then they do Ashwebi for you. Then they buy T-shirts. Then they do advertising for television. Then they eat corn for road. And that place where they go no get money. Then they give millions to delegates. Then they hire hall. They do anything. That place don't get money. If you wait there 30 years ago, they don't go. Even Buhari where them take gun, come out, come back by force, come back 3 times. If no money they come back. So, now that one, the second one. Anybody will come to you say government no get money, no say the money they in pocket. The third one, anyone will come to you, no fear explain to you, wetin you go do. Make we find solution to the problem. That one, no get solution. If you ask them, what you go do for make countries settle down, make armed robber no kill us, make bandits no kill us.
Balance.
If you say, I don't know, I go talk them later, na lie. If you ask them, what you go do for our economy, make work they move, make food they come, make money they move. If you say, when we get inside, we go do them, na lie. So that if and you, we want to shoot somebody, you supposed to know the job. You will want hire driver. You supposed to know where you go. No be driver where you hire, but they tell you where you want to go. Even if you don't know how to drive, you want to go church, you're supposed to know where your church is.
Your destination.
So the people of Nigeria themselves, before anybody come tell you what you go do for you, you're supposed to know, say, fella don't tell you. Even if you no go school, fella don't say, food, water, light, house, waiting do them. Fella take and sing, make people hear. Not be say you go to jump up and down when they hear the music. Now to think. Water, light, food, house, waiting do them.
Very important question.
Because every human being supposed to get. And this country where we dey, they get money.
So our Ubunga visitor, I know say when we start the campaign, you go begin to break them down as it take concern the policies and the way when we say under your government to una go take work to see say Nigeria economy they very very gadget. But because of the time we dey now, we go just they take the thing one after the other. You don't already emphasize here say our economy get problem, and it be like say the people when they there when they push the economy, they push and go where the thing no know. If our economy now they shall help me, they carry me go where I don't know. Make we enter another very important area for inside this our country. Get to do with security. Make I first ask you, when you hear say the governor of Kaduna State, Malam Nasiru El-Rufai, write memo, go give Oga Presido. For inside that memo, he talk say, for Kaduna State, where if people check out the way when security arrangement there for inside this country, Kaduna na place where we say security not supposed to be issue at all. If we check where our institutions them dey and how their leg take balance for ground, when you hear of this memo, how you take feel? You think say this security matter na matter where we say you don't pass, be careful, or the thing shock you? It shock you?
It not shock me. It make me sad over it, not shock me. Because I know say na business that they do.
Business?
Na business now. You don't chase soldier before?
Make I use like pursue soldier?
Yeah, soldier they run.
Soldiers, who go pursue soldier?
Nigeria get army, wey be ogbonge army.
Very strong.
Army wey in hand, dey long. So even if you come out for Nigeria, go run to another country, if they want catch you, they go catch you, bring you back to court. Even if you get juju from head to your body to your leg, you come out for Nigeria, go another country, they go follow you there, go catch you. But they no fit catch people where they Kaduna. But if they catch somebody where they Kenya, catch somebody with the Benin Republic,
Ah,
catch somebody with the London. This Nigerian army don't catch somebody for London before. Carry her inside Portmanteau. So they bring her to Nigeria.
ah.
Now they don't feel catch. Say the bandit way hunter the chase. Now army no fit chase.
But you know, so Oga President talk say he no one use force so that dead body no go surplus because he said there will be collateral damage. And you know, say don't forget Oga President na retired general. As a general, you know, things say na idea in they take the approach the problem.
That general don't know what they happen for this country.
Ah.
That general don't old. That general don't old. That general don't know what general they remember again. Make we use our common sense. Nigerian army no be Boy Scout.
Okay.
No be fire brigade.
Not true.
No be yellow fever.
Not true.
Now army we get ogbonge gun. And they come plenty. Now then go Liberia. Go command the Paul away
You know
there.
what they do with Ecomog now?
Go Sierra Leone. When American bring in soldier, come Somalia, come they do work there. And the bad guy chase America away, and Nigeria go there. Go settle the matter for them. If you go Abuja, you go see one barrack called Mogadishu.
Yes.
Now because Nigeria win for that place, they can't name the barrack Mogadishu. If you go South Sudan, where Janjaweed they chase people, kill people. When they send Alexander Ugomudia, send her go there with Martin Luther Agwai. They chase them, they can't run. So Nigerian army, no, they run for anybody. But Nigerian army, they follow instruction. If you say, kill him, you go kill him. If you say, leave him, you go leave him. Army, no, they argue with Oga. If Oga, they do business, they go leave them, they finish their business. When another Oga come, when one kill bandits, they go kill bandit for you.
Kai. So this is a job like say they open office.
Now business, because the money where they pass that river, if you carry 10 bridge, go.
When campaign starts, it goes.
So they don't want to make that business finish. If they follow the money, you go follow where the armed robber they go. Because our money can't take.
Yes.
So now they don't take our money for oil. That one they realize say, they fit count for oil. They don't take money for education. As to go talk. If you take money for housing, people where don't get the house go talk. They say, okay, know what we go do. We go to take money for Ojuju Calabar because you don't feel enter bush.
No,
if
nobody
I say I can't buy 1 million bullets, I don't shoot for Shekau. You go ask Shekau whether the bullet hit them.
They're not even the count them. No be granite now.
Now so that they take do them business. So now so we go to shout. But now one thing we feel do.
Okay.
We go end the matter. One, anything they tell you, don't believe them. Tell them, say, me, I don't want to hear, say, Boko Haram day. I don't want to hear, say, bandits day. And kidnapper, I don't want to hear. Any party, any government, any politician, way in party, no fee command that thing. They could just command them for government. So if you buy cat for house, you no fee kill rat. Who could command the cat and the rat together?
Because the job like say the cat now for decoration. Cat will no fit kill or dog will no fit back.
So when you come buy, you get 2 rats for your house. You come buy 2 cats. Then the rat come become 100.
They multiply.
And the cat, they play with them. They say, make they fight for afternoon. So now you know, say, okay, make a cuckoo come out, everybody
make
for this.
Make everybody plus rat plus cat, make everybody come out.
For so long, say they go see free money. Because the juju way do Nigeria and juju of money. People feel sell their own mother for money. People feel command the country for money. So, and the way that they do them, now the same money that they use buy vote. Now the same money that they do buy adverts, buy car, buy everything. So the thing where Nigeria feel do be say, make we say, okay, now don't do. Now don't do.
The one I don't do, don't reach.
Make they go.
Make everybody come out.
Any idea where you get, where you never use for 20 years, take and go heaven. Carry the idea for yourself. Make we put another person there. Now we do 30 years ago, when soldier come topple us. Now, soldier go they run for office. He he go one say one hand over. Now minister, where they serve, we don't serve under soldier. Now he go be a candidate again. Then they go dabaru the election again. Soldier they stay. Now our party for that time. Come go get Abiola. We no be politician. We no be soldier. Say, okay, this one na businessman. This one na accountant. His head correct. They come put them there. Now people come follow them. Vote Abiola enter. Now when Abiola enter, we feel know the secret. Then they come cancel the election.
Say when they spoil everything.
Then kill the man. We now know say they never want to go before. So this time now, the solution be say make we know the suspects pay Nigeria army. They be mumu. They no get power. No be so. No army. Then train people. Pass our army.
Very true.
Maybe Egypt get bigger machine because America are their friend. Maybe South Africa get bigger machine because now white people did there before. But Nigeria army,
if that to get strong mind, they get away. You get one thing where you mention about say some people go they collect money from some kind of places, but some people go they tell them say no, don't do that. You can't mention ASU. Make we look the population of Nigeria. Or you they consult the population demography. They go say if you check the way in our population day, we get plenty young people. In fact, one World Bank report been talk say nearly 100 million Nigerians they under the age of 17. So we get plenty young people, and young people then they look forward to the future. But if I say as Nigeria they like this now, with the fact say today make 180 days when ASU don't dey on strike. But don't forget say ASU been strike for 9 whole months for 2020. It be like say that future now, the thing not clear again. I won't ask you. You think say solution there to the problem of say ASU they go on strike or education fee improve for inside this country?
You see, the matter are the same.
Okay.
And the same rat, they eat education money. Now I go eat army money. And the same rat be the politician. Before, when I did college, when I did university, now 4 years, I suppose it's go spend, make I become a lawyer. I can't spend 7.5 years.
Guy.
That time, now Jubril Aminu be minister. You can't say the money where university, they ask for, Nigeria no get them. Can't say Nigeria no get money. As to can't say, okay, government no get money. We say, yeah, government no get money. As to say, okay. Suppose we find money for government. Because we be professor, we get idea. If you say you no get money, pay our salary, buy book, repair the school. Make we find you money. You say, okay, go find us money. And I have to come create education trust fund.
Okay.
That one no be government money. As to say, if Wazobia FM don't do his business and year can't end, it can't make profit. Wazobia go command 2% or some more.
Put them inside.
Because now them they hire the people. You go school before now. Now they can't hire you here.
Very
so now then they judge the education. Everybody they can't carry the money. Put there. Suppose we say when that money don't enter, they go find Nigeria where get sense, where get character, where fear God. Then they go put sin and then be trustee. They go they manage the money. When the money don't become open get money, government can't go midnight. They can't change the law. Say that money go dey Ministry of Education.
Hey.
Since that time, anybody wey want chop money na there they go. So if you go your school where you go before, you go they see one chekele thing they go put there, they go put signboard, Education Trust Fund. So the thing where university if you do for 1 naira, they go write 20 naira there.
Okay.
So now the money that they chop. So not be say the money to pay us to no deal. The money to pay us for waiting they don't go before, to pay them now, to pay them for the next 10 years, they there.
But where the money they? Who sit down on top of the money?
Education minister, they there. They don't put the director general on top of that thing. Every politician we want to do business, people housewide, and then the contractor there. So that they take the money. Now for part of that money, Naira Accountant General can steal 109 billion.
But Oga Festus Keyamo talk say the way when the matter dey like this, he be like say, as we want make government go borrow money, but money no dey anywhere. And then they look and say the money we as we want, the money dey very very big. Say make us to even show consideration. He even talk say if they give an opportunity, he go kneel down because he himself na parent. But we don't know the school when he own pikin they go, whether they go school for here or in pikin they go abroad like Nyesom Wike own too when graduate abroad. But if we check the thing, if us they ask for over 1 trillion and government say they no get money, you don't think say us we need to meet government halfway?
I can tell you. That Keyamo, where you know, that one don't travel.
Eh.
The one we did there now ghost. Yeah, that one don't travel. That one don't travel.
The one when be activists, when they fight for the people.
That one they sleep. Yes, that one they sleep. Now when he lose in job, he go put him brain back, they come out again. Now may I tell you, one person, no be him be Obunge Oga for the place.
Okay.
No be him be Oyinsi, no be Oga.
Yes.
Come be one accountant where they write small book. He alone can't take 109 billion. That 10%, which he has to ask for. One person. Chop her like snake. One person. And not be big snake, or not be snake you did for.
No be anaconda.
No. Tiny snake. Where you fit take slippers, knocking head. Now he swallow 109 billion. What do you think say the big oga they swallow? Then they not get money pay ASU. But people where they inside hotel for Abuja, they don't get company. They inside hotel. They go they take calculate subsidy where they don't do. They chop 6 trillion. So when they go negotiate with armed robber, be like saying a bank manager. No bank manager they talk to. Now Ogbonge armed robber they talk to.
Armed robber or down.
Now they there. So Nigerian people they go they watch the country like cinema. So you go there 10 years old, you go they laugh. Till you reach 70, you go they laugh. They will chop your money. Some people there for Nigeria will never work for 50 years. Every corner where money they don't know the place. So when politics come and then you come out small change, can't give. So everything where feel supposed to make you happy, make you there for inside your house, eat small thing, no day. You there for inside bus, make you buy gala, the money no reach. Make you buy pure water, the money no reach. You come to your house, your landlord don't lock door, because you don't get money pay rent. If you manage open door for you, you don't get light, make you see. You want bath, water no enter bucket. And then you go to laugh till you come old.
Child.
Your child, where you send me go school.
Continue for that laughter.
Yes.
Hey.
So, and if you look at how many 4 years they for your life, 4 years, one don't waste, another 4 years don't waste, another one don't waste. You think say we they do comedy. Maybe if you know come out, I'm not saying you come out, come use knife, come use vote, come out these armed robbers. Then go. Because they themselves don't collect all the naira. And they live for Abuja, nobody respect naira again. Now dollar them, they put all their money inside. That one, another dollar they go up. So you and this politician no dey for the same country. They don't create their own country. Where they don't put dollar buy their own country.
Chai, our Ogbonge visitor, this talk na talk where we say plenty. I mean, I dey very sure say when campaign starts officially, we go stop to the ask say, okay, as government they do and now. What we go dey ask now say, you now with the idea where you get, how you go take, because I know ask you some kind of question. Aside from say campaign never start. I dey sure say some people carry by run and they wait. Once you drop your idea, then go copy them. Come go use them like say na their own. So we go wait make campaign start so that when we come now, we'll come begin to hit the thing one by one. You come they give us one by one.
But make our people know say the thing where we they talk, no be comedy where they do.
No be joke.
Now the thing where they make housewife they cry. Make someone get children for house, they don't get food. Some people they inside bush now. Some people I know they inside bush. They don't inside bush for 2 months. They ask them, make them bring 100 million.
Some of those Abuja Kaduna train victims.
Yes, they there. They inside bush now. Some people don't sell their land, don't pay. So if people where we they talk, no be joke. If soldier they cry.
Hey.
So make people know say this thing where we they talk, no be say we don't chop belly food, we want laugh. Come inside Wazobia TV, go to talk. Will they tell you what they happen for your country? May they not take Ogbonge grammar, come confuse your brain.
Confuse people.
Yeah, money day for Nigeria. The money way day for Nigeria. In fact, it's not day for Britain.
Thank you very much, our Ogbonge visitor, presidential candidate of the all. Now, wow, confusion don't even come one day affect me self because as he break down all the issues wey they face for this country, I not know wetin to talk. The Social Democratic Party, SDP, that party when we say, if you check out, if you calculate, 1993, the presidential candidate that time, a person when we talk about hope. From what you don't hear our Ogbonge visitor talk, you go know say person when sabi the work. Nigerians now, on a hand the day, we promise you now say we'll carry all of them come one after the other. When campaign starts, we go face them so that as it take consign their own plans, they go tell us.